Yes, class, good morning. Before starting today's topic, I want some discuss with you some points. First is structure of the question paper, and second your mathematics syllabus. Structure of the question paper in class 9th and 10th completely different in class 11th and 12th. Total number of questions in class 9th and 10th different in class 11th and 12th. Second, allotted marks also is different in class 11th and 12th. So now discuss here structure of the question paper in term exam. So here term exam. First and second. This is the first and second. First your section. Sections, year, marks, year, number of questions, and year total marks. Section E. This structure for the only term exam. Section E. In section E is the total in 1 marks question is 20 question. The total marks will be 20. And this will be converted 10 plus 5 plus 5. Means 10 question is the objective types, 5 question is the fill in the blanks, and 5 question very short question in solving. We will solve 1 marks question, all is 1 marks question, but very short question in solving. Section B. This is the 2 marks question. Total question here 6, and here marks is 12. In section C, this is the 4 marks question. Question is 6 and total here 24 marks. And section D, here 6 marks question. This is the different. In class 9 and 10, 6 marks question not there. In class 11, 12, the 6 marks question also here. This is the 4 question, and this will be also 24 marks. Here total number of question, you are adding this, then total number of question is 36. 6, 12 and 16 to 1, 3. 36 question here. Total number of question 36, total marks here your 80. You know 20 remaining 20 marks your project end. Remaining 20 marks. Remain marks 20. This will be project plus activity. This 80 marks you are written and 20 marks your project and activity. Both things. The maximum 2 project and maximum 10 activity. Here the 2 project and 10 activity. This is not marks. Mean 2 project and 10 activity. So this will be converted into 20 marks. The next. So this is structure of the term exam in mathematics. This is mass structure of the question paper. Second thing is unit exam. Unit exam you will be conducted in the 40 marks. This is the term marks. Term exam is the 80 marks, or unit exam is 40 marks. So this will be just half. Here 20 marks means 10. Unit exam. This mark will be converted 10. This will be converted 6. This will be converted 6. This will be 12. And this will be converted 12. This is the 40. This is the unit exams. The 40 marks. Same things here. Total number of question will be 18. Their marks is 40. Then question number just half. Then the question number will be just half. So this is 18 question. 40 marks in unit exam. But term exam is your term first and second both structure will be followed. And remaining 20 marks will be project and activity. So this is the structure of question paper in class 11th and 12th also. Second things, your syllabus of the mathematics. You know, your mathematics syllabus allotted you before your exam. Which topics will be using in which exam, this will be informed your before your exam. This your syllabus of exam. Main things, your structure of the question paper. So you will solve every type questions. 1 marks question, 2 marks question, 4 marks question and 6 marks question. But this is a different things for your class 11th and 12th. Class 10th, 9th and 10th, 1 marks question, 2 marks question, 3 marks question, 4 marks question. Not 6 marks question. But 11th, 12th, 6 marks question also included here. So then note down it, then starting the today topic. Yes students, now start the today topic, set. What is the set? Set has a simple meaning and specific meaning. What is the simple meaning? Simple meaning of the set, collection of the objects, collection of the items, making group of the members, making group of the persons, any things you make the, this is the simple meaning of the sets. But what is the specific meaning of the sets? Yes, now look here. Specific meaning. A set is the well-defined collection of the object. This is the specific meaning. Set. Which type set we will be make here in a set? Which collection we will make the set? Well-defined. Which collection you will of the object you make the set? Those object has well-defined. What is the meaning of the well-defined here? The meaning of the well-defined. Meaning of the well-defined here means those things, those objects, those items should not vary to person. Means those things not vary to person. Means you can make the set those things you have liked, every person will be like this, then you can make this set. Those things you good, then every person will be good, then you make this set. It means those things is not very person to person, then you can make a set. Yes. First point here means you make the set, this set of the set of rivers, R-I-V-E-R, the rivers of India. You know कि rivers of India, all the set of rivers of India. So how many rivers in India you make the sets? Here not right here which specific river is this you will putting here. All river you can. You will not using your lakes, not using your oceans. You will using only your rivers. It means you can make this set in the rivers. In this word means river. Means every person know which is river, which is not river, which is lake, which is ocean. Every person is know. But this is not very key. Every person, ocean is the river, a river is the ocean. This is not possible. River is river, lake is lake, and ocean is ocean. Second things means this set of odd natural number means you know you can easily find out which number is odd, means that is 1, 3, 5, 7. You know these numbers are odd. Every person know which is the odd number. This is not very person to person. Which number is odd, which number is even. You know easily know these numbers are odd. Then you make the set. In this type object you make the sets. Third point. the set of all triangles. The set of all triangles. This is possible. Means you know three-sided closed figure is called the triangle. That means you know the triangle, which figure is triangle. Four-sided figure is not triangle, five-sided figure is not triangle, six-sided is not triangle. Then you will use only the three-sided figure. Then you can make the. Every person know a three-sided closed figure is the triangle. So you can make easily of this triangle. Second things, point here which objects not make a set. Means those objects is different person to person. Those choice is different person to person. Then you will not make a set. Like example, suppose you are making 10 best players of the India in cricket, या best hockey players. So this is not make a set because this is person to person. Some person like the Sachin is the best, some like the Sehwag is the best. I mean this is the person to person is the best. Different things means in this type collection is not make a set. Second example here, then best mathematics books. This is a different person to person also. Which book is the best? Which book is the not best? How to clarify it? This is the person to person also is different. Those things is person to person is different, then you not make a set. Next, third point here. Some sets are represented in English alphabet. Means not all sets. Some sets are represented in English alphabet. So now here, which letters represent the sets? Suppose I am writing here N. And you know that N is the set of the natural number. This set of all natural numbers. Capital set always represent the capital letters. Some sets are, not all sets, some sets are represent the English alphabet. The first is N, is represent the all natural numbers. Then E is the represent the set of all even natural numbers. Yeah, all even natural numbers, all even natural numbers. Similarly, O, this set of all natural numbers, all natural numbers. Next, here R is represent the set of all real number. Similarly, here R plus the set of all positive real number. Next, R minus the set of all negative real number. Similarly, here Z, the set of all integers. Similarly, here Z plus the set of positive integers. Similarly, here Z minus the set of negative integers. Next, here Q, this set of all rational numbers. Similarly, here Q plus the set of positive rational number. Next, Q minus the set of negative rational number. So these some letters of English alphabet represent these sets. You learn and note down this which letter, which set is represented. Means N, E, O, similarly as P, similarly P for prime numbers. Similarly R, Z, Z plus, Q, Q plus, and some other letters also. You note down these and learn it. Which letters is represented which set? Then next topic. Yes, class. Next topic, your representation of these sets. Sets are represented in two methods, two forms. First, your roster form, roster or tabular. And second, your set builder form. Sets are represented in two forms. First, roster or tabular. Any you take any name here. Second, your set builder form. What is the roster form? What is the set builder form? So now look here. Suppose I am writing here. Suppose even natural number. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, suppose I am writing here any set here. This is the A, or here write A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Yeah, any other things. So this form is called the roster form. This is called the roster form. Roster, or it could be roster form. This is called the roster form. First things here, every set is represented capital letter, and this is the member of the sets, elements of the set. You can name here. These are synonyms. This is the member of the sets. Otherwise, you can say here element of the sets, and elements of the set, the member of the set will be write always in small letters, small points, and set will be represented in the capital letters. Second point here, every set will be write enclosed by the curly bracket and separated by the commas. This is the property of the set builder form. Sorry, roster form. This is the every element will be separated by the commas and enclosed by curly bracket. Don't use a simple bracket, don't use your square bracket, always use the curly bracket and separated by the commas. In this type form of the set is called this roster form, otherwise tabular form. Second point here, set builder form. Set builder form, suppose I am writing here x such that x. What is the name of set builder form? Means set को बनाने वाला form. Set builder means set को बनाने वाला form. The x, this is all in the come in the language form. X such that x means x is represent what is x? What represent x is such that. This is symbol of this such that symbol. As such that x is a natural number. Yeah, is a vowels in the English alphabet. Means this set I am converting this form A, E, O, U, I. So this x such that x, what is the x here? This x means this x represent what? Represent what's this x? What this x is set here? What building this subset? This is the building. X is the vowels in the English alphabet. Means you know what is the English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. It means this is the form of the roster form. This is the form of the set builder form. So you can interchange every set. The roster form convert into set builder form interchange to roster form. This is not problem. So every set you can easily change every set. Roster form to set builder form to roster form. In two-way dependently sets. The next, you note down this, then next point. Yes, class. Next point I am taking here some property, two property area sets here. Property are not a rule, this is not matter. First property or first not. Rules, anything you say here. Suppose you are writing any set. So how to write, what procedure of the writing of the sets here? The first is set order of the set is immaterial. Order of the set is immaterial means every set, suppose you are writing, suppose you are a set here 1 2 dot here A B D C F means A B D C. The order is not, you are changing the order. Suppose then you are writing number here 5 2 7 1 2 means this is not fixed order will be writing the ascending descending. This is not immaterial order. You can write the any immaterial order. Second point here means second point here is elements should not repeated. Any element we will not repeat it. Suppose you are writing here, suppose set A 1 2 5 6 7 again 2 again 1. This is not required. You can write this is a, you can write otherwise you can write here this 1 2 5 6 7. Both the set are same here. Here 1 2 5 6 7 2 1 again here, but this is not required because 1 2 already here came here. So then means elements should not repeat it. So any sets, any elements having the repeated, so this is not required. This will be count only one times. Same thing as alphabet. Suppose here alphabet here, suppose B set, and here write suppose A B C O P and here again A. Means this A and this A again you are using. This is not required. You are using one times here. It means any members, any object, any elements will be count only one times. The elements should not be repeated. As first would your order should be immaterial. Means order is any order. You write any order, mixed order. This is not matter. You write A B C, A B D C F. This is not matter. Which order you are, this is not matter. You can write any form. But important things, the elements here will be not repeated. Elements count only one times. Suppose you are write two times, but you will not count two times. Your element 1 2 3 4 5. This will not 6 7 will not count here. Means 1 2 3 4 5. This is the exact correct. This is the wrong. Suppose write in this form, you will count in this form, then not count in this form. Second things, elements always write in the small letter, or set will be written in the capital letters. Next, set will be always all elements will be enclosed by the curly bracket and separated by the commas. In these things you note down and then start the exercise. Yes, class. I am taking the question number first in exercise 1.1 from NCERT book. Question number first here. Which of the following are sets? You read the. I am reading the question and giving the answer. Which object, a collection of the object is set or not? First question here. A collection of all month of the year beginning of the letter J. The total month is countable, 12 month. Which month starting with the beginning, starting with letter of the J? This is the fix. The month of the January, next June, and next July. Only 3 months. Every person will be count the month of the those starting the letter of the J. J means Jan, June, and July. This is not different person to person. Every person will count. Every time answer will be the same. Next question here. A collection of the 10 most talented writers of India. You know, of which is the talented, which is not talented. In this type word, most talented, good, bad, dangerous. In this type word, set is not make possible, not making the possible. Here are 10 most talented writers. 10 most talented writers, set is not possible because how to clarify the who is talented, who is not talented. In this type words, not make the a set. Next third part here, a team of 11 best batsmen of the world. Then also here best word using here best cricket batsman. So this is not possible to make a set here because you are using the word best. The best, which is the which player is best, which player is not best. Then how to clarify it? This is not any criteria to clarify which is the best, which is not best. Suppose you are using one tag here. If those are making the 100 century, this is the best. Then you can make a set. Otherwise, not possible. Those are making less than, more than any criteria given. Then you make the set. Otherwise, not any criteria here. Then you not. Only here write the best cricket. The best cricketer means this is not make a set. How to next part here 4. The collection of all boys in your class. This is very easy. You can go class and count how many boys, then you make easily sets. Next here 4th, the collection of all natural number less than 100. This is to make the possible to make a set. Natural numbers less than means 1 to 99, not including the 100. Less than 100 means 99. So this is easily make the possible of set. Next means suppose you write collect a set here and then 1 2 3 dash and 99. In this type we making a set. So this is possible. A collection of novel written by the writer Munshi Premchand. This is possible. Make a set. How many Munshi Premchand? Total novels you can count and then make a set. This is possible. Suppose 10, 20, 100, 200, 300, 400 novels, then you can easily count and then make a set. Next point here, a collection of all even integers. This is all possible. This is possible. All even integers. Then you can write here integers, even integers. So -2, -4. -6, -8, and then all, and then positive also. All even integers. Here plus minus. Using your plus minus sign, then you are all integers. Only even integers. Then is it possible here? Next, the collection of the questions. The questions of in this chapter. Yes, this is possible. You can count the total number of questions in this books, then easily count, then you make the set also here. Last part here, the collection of the most dangerous animals in the world. Same things here, the most dangerous world. Which animals is dangerous, which is not dangerous, this is a different person to person, then you not make a set here. Those things different person to person, then you not make the set. Those things is not different person to person, then you make the set. So then you note down, this is the question number first.